Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine the perfect manicure, sleek, shiny, and long-lasting, without the hassle of a professional salon visit. Today, we're diving into a product that promises just that, the Essie Gel Setter Top Coat. This 8-free, vegan nail top coat is designed to give you a salon-worthy, gel-like finish at home. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's find out. Essie's Gel Setter Top Coat is a clear nail polish that seals in color and provides a vibrant, high-gloss finish. It's part of the brand's commitment to luxury nail care, combining performance and aesthetics. With its gel-like shine, this product is intended to keep your manicure looking fresh longer while preventing chips. It's formulated without the usual harmful ingredients. Think no parabens, formaldehyde, or DBP. And it's also cruelty-free, which aligns with today's more conscious beauty standards. The packaging is simple, yet elegant, with a traditional Essie bottle design that's easy to handle. Now, onto the real-world testing. I used this top coat on my nails after applying 2 coats of Essie's original nail color, and I have to say, the results were impressive. The high-gloss finish was noticeable immediately. It wasn't just shiny, it had that beautiful, plump, gel-like appearance that you'd expect from a professional salon manicure. It dried quickly too, which is always a bonus. I wore the manicure for several days, and I did notice that the finish held up well. There was no major chipping, and the shine remained intact even after washing dishes and typing on my keyboard all day. However, there were a few minor points to consider. While the formula is incredibly shiny, I did find that it's a little thicker than I'm used to. This makes it great for the gel-like finish, but it can also mean that you need to be careful not to over-apply, or it may take a little longer to fully set. Also, while it kept my manicure looking fresh, the longevity wasn't quite as extended as I had hoped. I've used other top coats that seem to offer a bit more protection against chips, especially on my right hand, which tends to see more wear throughout the day. Let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are clear. It delivers a stunning, plump, gel-like finish that's perfect for anyone who loves a shiny, polished look. The formula is 8-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, which means you're not sacrificing quality for sustainability. It also dries fairly quickly, which is great for those of us on the go. On the flip side, the cons include the slightly thick formula, which can be a little tricky to work with if you're not careful, and its performance in terms of chip resistance wasn't as stellar as I had hoped. If you're looking for a long-lasting top coat that holds up for an entire week, this might not be your best bet. Now, in terms of value for money, the Essie Gel Setter is fairly priced for a high-quality top coat. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it certainly stands out in terms of performance and brand reputation. The 0.46 phthalates bottle offers enough product to last several months if you use it regularly. So I'd say the price is justified based on quality and performance, especially if you prefer cruelty-free vegan beauty products. When compared to similar products, Essie's Gel Setter competes well with other gel-like top coats, like Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel or OPI's Gel Color. While both of those have their own merits, Essie's formula is a bit more user-friendly, and the high shine finish is tough to beat. If you're on a tighter budget, Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel might be a more affordable option, but I'd say Essie edges out in terms of luxury feel and overall finish. As for build quality and longevity, the packaging feels sturdy, and the product itself maintains its integrity over time. The bottle doesn't chip easily, and the brush is the standard Essie brush, easy to work with and helps you get a smooth application. In terms of longevity, as mentioned earlier, it held up pretty well. But if you're really tough on your nails, you might want to layer it with a more chip-resistant top coat for that extra durability. Since I didn't need to interact with customer support for this review, I'll mention that Essie has a solid reputation for responsive customer service. The brand has been around for decades, and they're known for handling customer inquiries efficiently. If you're looking for alternatives, there are certainly more budget-friendly options available. But if you're willing to invest a little more for a top-tier product that delivers on its promises of shine and performance, Essie's Gel Setter is definitely worth considering. To wrap it up, Essie's Gel Setter Top Coat does exactly what it claims to do. It gives your nails that beautiful, glossy, gel-like finish. It's easy to use, vegan, and cruelty-free, making it a great option for conscious beauty lovers. While it may not be the most chip-resistant top coat on the market, it certainly stands out for the shine and luxury finish it provides. If you love a fresh, polished look with a high gloss shine, I definitely recommend giving it a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And don't forget, the link to purchase the product can be found in the comments or description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.